Hi, today we are going to discuss about software engineering. We all know the process has been completely changed with the introduction of the artificial intelligence. The software development has been changed. The methodologies were changed. The process has been changed. So AI has brought so many things uh, into industry. It changed the complete process and picture, change the complete big picture. So nowadays if you see the e-commerce applications, generally in software engineering, people used to develop websites. So the front end team will work on the UI part, and the back end team will work on developing the API, application programming interfaces, REST API. We generally call them as endpoints. We need some API endpoint so that we can call that endpoint from the front end UI and get the data. So the third layer is the database layer. So the request comes from the web UI to the backend layer, which generally be developed by the backend engineers using technologies like Java, .NET, or Golang, or whatever. We can use any other language. And the final thing is the database part. We can have multiple databases: Oracle, DB2, MySQL, Sybase, NoSQL databases are there. So, what the software engineering is doing here is to develop an application which is a tangible software. I mean, the user will use that software. He will actually navigate to that software. He will click on the respective UI elements to see the required information. So user has to navigate the web UI. So user is actually interacting the web UI using the mouse and mouse clicks. uh, he has to navigate through the complete web UI to get some information, or to order some product, or to order something on the e-commerce application or platform, or to book a ticket. Also he has to navigate, he has to put some effort. The user has to put some effort with the current technology. But the AI is going to change that uh, history completely, because the user don't need to put any effort at all. Simply he can ask a query, or he can simply type a query, whatever he requires. The AI itself internally in background will process the data, and it will summarize the data. Uh, uh, it will simply print the data on a simple page or a chart window. Or if you take any agentic AI, they also uh, do the particular task. If user gives simple query, they will do the task and they will perform it. So here the user is not going to open any UI or navigating the UI. He is not searching it. He is not putting any efforts there. The AI itself is doing everything for him, instead of user going into the website and uh, scrolling through that website. It is not required, because AI is doing all those things on behalf of user itself. So it reduces that effort of the user. So going forward, uh, the humans, they don't need to open any websites. They don't need to create any medium website kind of medium. User interface is not at all required. Okay, so user just has to either type something as a query prompt, or he has to speak something, then AI will do everything. Let's say, for example, a user wants to book a train ticket or flight ticket. He can simply ask the AI to book a ticket. Okay, the agentic AI, it will take care of finding out the slot in the flight, finding out the ticket slot, uh, available seat in the train, and it will automatically book the ticket. And also the payment also it will do that by identifying your voice, or it may ask you to authorize your fingerprint or something. So in future, so that kind of system or that kind of software is going to be built, which is going to reduce the human effort. Humans, they don't need to type some website name, domain name, and then uh, ask for something to book there. So it's going to change. So if humans want to uh, do some online shopping, so he can simply prompt some text there. I want to purchase so and so fridge or washing machine, or I want to purchase so and so uh, uh, items, products on these sites. So they will display those there. There will be only some standard UI or window will be there, so which can dynamically display the product info, which can dynamically scroll or display the required info there. So user does not need to open any website. Is does not need to it does not need to remember anything. So AI is going to simplify that process. So definitely the humans are getting lazy. So the AI has to solve these problems, because the humans are they bored. I mean, they're losing interest on using these kind of old legacy system. I mean, opening a website and going through website. Even today also, I worked as a software engineer for more than 11 years. I still feel um, uh, uninterest or uh, kind of difficult or complexity when I am opening a website and looking for particular tab, looking for particular info. If that is not found, so sometimes some websites are not user friendly. It would be very difficult for them to navigate. Imagine most of the people, they will have a below average IQ, so they don't even know how to navigate from one uh, UI element to another UI. So they don't know how to click one tab to another tab. It would be very difficult for them, even if they are educated. At least they need some level of training to use particular website or something. So right. So if you take an ASEAN countries, most of the people, they are not well versed with the websites and social media platforms. So it would be very difficult for them. So for Western countries, it may be easy for them, because most of them, they daily they will use the social media and websites for their regular day-to-day activities. Also, the development is also uh, some difference between West and East. So the AI is going to solve this problem also. It is going to be standardized. It is going to be single platform. Everybody, they'll just express their opinion using their native language, right? The AI will automatically convert that into English, standard English language, and then it will submit the prompt or query to agenting AI, and that agenting AI that will do all the stuff they wanted to do. So I can ask a query, just list down available uh, TVs on the e-commerce platform. It may display it, list down all the laptops, brand new laptops, brand new mobile phones. It will display it. I scroll from right to left. I can simply ask with my voice, or I can simply prompt it, right? So I can say it as a command, and the AI will do it for us. So we don't need to do anything. So the system is going to be changed like software. The usage of the software is going to be changed like that in future. So it may also be included with virtual reality, augmented reality, for more effectiveness. So AI may show the products or the process. So the augmented reality is going to be integrated. It may integrate with the artificial intelligence. Uh, so that way, the usage of the software is going to be changed completely. That is the major the change we are going to observe in coming years. So nowadays, when AI has entered into the market, everybody is developing websites, software. So they're building it, they're implementing it within hours, right? They have to simply test it. They don't need to uh, do any algorithmic coding or anything. They don't require it. AI is going to do it when we simply give a prompt, right? So this is a major uh, the topic that we have to remember, how AI is going to change the usage of the software in coming days, how it is going to simplify the process, how it is going to bring some easy life for the web users or the online users. So we are going to use the systems, software systems. So that's all I wanted to share with you, and thank you.